go to your prom or when you're about to leave the house for your big day. Israel Lorenzo is going to help us here.
Bienvenidos. Hoy vamos a preparar
to make the guacamole.
Pues, ¿cómo se le hace guacamole? Tenemos dos aguacates.
So he's going to go to start with the avocados. We're going to cut it halfway. I'm going to go to be speaking in his behalf. Cut the guacamoles. Usually we do two for about 3 to 4 people. Cut in the middle. And from there, this is all the ingredients we're using. He's gonna go to start with the salt. This is something you can measure however you like it. You can maybe do a little bit, and from there you can add more. He's going to be adding the chopped onions. Of course, he already did all the prep early. He cut the onions, he cut the jalapenos, he cut the cilantro. Jalapenos depends how hot you like it. I would say start with 1 spoon, and from there you can just figure out what to do. And he's going to put cilantro. A lot of people love cilantro, a lot of people don't like cilantro. So that's really up to you. And he's gonna go to start making this. If you don't have any of these items at home, you can use a bowl and you can use a fork. It will take a little longer, but in the end will make the same effect. You just want to smash the cilantro with the jalapeno, onions, and a little bit of salt. So basically, yes, smash it until you can start getting that smell. Then the onion, especially with the cilantro, that give you that a little smell. Then you say, I think something good is coming out of this. So now he's gonna go to grab the avocados. You can use just a tablespoon. And I recommend to do 2 for an order that will fit maybe 2 or 4 people. So we don't want here the way we do at the restaurant. Our restaurant does the guacamole table size, and we use 2 full avocados to make a guacamole table size, and will fit between 2 and 4 people. Depends how much guacamole people eat. You can just cut those a little bit, so we'll make it easier to smash it in a minute. You can, like I said, you can do this with a fork. You don't need to have the items we have here at the restaurant. That brown bowl is called molcajete, and that's something we bring from Mexico to make our guacamoles. You don't have to go and have that, but if you can buy one of those to have it at home, that would be a nice, gives a different flavor to the guacamole. Has a little bit of mineral flavor into that one. And from there, you start smashing that. You can make it very fine. You can just keep it in chunks. That's really the magic of making a good guacamole, is to find out how you like your guacamole. You want it, very smushy. You want it more hard. Usually, we're trying to do halfway. And at this moment, that's when you can just, when he's done, he's gonna go to check. We have some chips right here. He's gonna go try a chip to see how that goes, and from there, if he's missing, depends what his flavor or his palate is. He can say, I need to put more salt, I need to put more a little bit. I would not recommend to put lime. If it's something you're going to eat right away, I would like to make a guacamole to be one of the last things you do before you serve your dinner or your snacks. But if you're gonna go to put it in a table with other items and you're still waiting for people, and it's going to be like an hour for people to get to the guacamole, you need to add lime. And the lime is not to give flavor, but it's basically to preserve your guacamole. You want to go ahead and try, Israel? Grab a chip and see what you think. I don't know if you want to add anything else for you.